in reply to the community demand, we have with us the panel discussion Mr. Dinuka Srinivaratne, Kandy Municipal Engineer, Sri Lanka. Mr. Dinuka Srinivaratne is a chartered civil engineer and a prominent leader in Sri Lanka's engineering community. Recently served as the chairman of the Institution of Engineers, Sri Lanka. As the chief engineer, water works and drainage for the Kandy Municipality Council, he leads the massive operation managing water works and wastewater management system for entire Kandy city area, generating an annual revenue of 2.5 billion liter. With over 14 years of experience, Dinuka has specialized in the design, commissioning and operation of large-scale sanitation infrastructure, including the Kandy city wastewater management system. A frequent participant in international technical training across Japan, South Korea, Malaysia and India, Mr. Dinuka is a dedicated advocate for decentralized wastewater management and sustainable urban sanitation solutions. His extensive portfolio spans from historical road construction projects to cutting-edge fecal sludge management. Mr. Dinuka Srinivaratne, may we know something about what specific challenges do marginalized groups face in accessing safe and equitable work services and facilities in Kandy City?
Thank you for the opportunity. And actually, water supply and sanitation is a very important thing, especially in Kandy City, where the